Friends, Signals is a feature that launched, I believe, at Inbound this last year. It's got a ton of new updates since then, so I wanted to put on the orange hat and give you a roundup because it's pretty incredible. Check this out. So here I am on the Signals page. This is inside buyer intent. And what is a signal, you might ask? Well, if you come to the settings page, you can see the full list. It's a long list and it's going to get longer. You can turn any off that you're not interested in. And what you do is you select companies that you want to track these signals for. You can just look through all the companies in your CRM, or you can look at ones in a particular segment. You can get a preview of ones that have already had some signals, and you select the ones you want to track, and you can add them. Now, this is going to cost 10 credits per company per month, but that is true. Even if there are a ton of signals, it's just a flat rate, which is great. We can start tracking these. There are some automation options if you want to automatically track companies when they become a target account or when they're at a certain life cycle stage. We'll skip that for now. What happens is they come in here, and something that's great is we will backfill the last 30 days of signals for free right when you add them. So you shouldn't ever see zeros here. And if we just hop into Nike here, we can see some of these signals, and we can see all this data around these signals. And that's going to be really important in just a minute. But first, I want to show you one last thing here. On visitor intent and research intent, you can create your saved views, and you can choose whether to automatically start tracking them. So when someone shows visitor intent or research intent, you can automatically start tracking them, which is great. But let me get back to those events I mentioned. They'll show up on record pages on the activity timeline. You can use them in your segments. You can use them in lead scoring. Let me show you how they work in workflows. So if I want to create a workflow from scratch right here, under data values, I will see company and contact signal events, and I can come in and choose one of these, and this will trigger the workflow. Now, I remember I said the event has that extra metadata. This is where you can start to access it and see how you can use it. Look, it's not just that funding has happened. It may be a certain funding amount or a certain date or a certain funding round. And once you have this set up, you can, just a little security here real quick. You can use this further down in the workflow actions. So let's say you want to send an internal email to the sales rep. Your owned account just had a funding round. Look, you can grab that funding data and drop it into the body of the email. Tell them exactly what company it was and how much they raised and what round it was. This is incredible, and it's only going to get better as the year goes on. I highly recommend you check out Signals, see what they can do for you. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.